Today I show you how to make the clock smaller on your lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. This is the clock and I made it really large, but you can make it really small if you wanted to, or you can even remove it. So the clock is on the lock screen. You can also have it on the home screen, but in this case it's only on the lock screen. To change the settings for the lock screen, you open the settings app, then go to the lock screen and AOD, always on display. And here you see edit lock screen. Press there. And now you have a view where you can edit the actual widgets. So I can make the clock smaller like that. I could make it really small. So now the clock is much smaller. If this is what you want, this is how you make the clock smaller on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. Android 15 OneUI 7. This is Android 15 OneUI 7 Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.